Hi, this is Leah with All Things Cards and a low battery. So, do you remember I had the papers where I had the little snowmen, I believe, these little snowmen down at the bottom, and it had all this, it's like a scrapbooking page, 12 by 12 from Michael's in one of their paper packs, and it had just a bunch of this at the top, and I told you that I cut that off. So these are the cards that I made with just that bit of snowflake. I added a red foil thing there, which I did pop out and cut the backings of, so that I have now some little sunbursts, I believe it is. So this is a very sweet card. It says, if it could focus, it would say, "Meet me under the mistletoe." And I had the hardest time trying to figure out what on earth to put on the inside. I think, in retrospect, should have just been the mistletoe on the front, and then inside it should say, "Meet me under the mistletoe." But anyways, so I went in a weird direction with it. I used my gel sparkle pens to color the leaves and the bow. I used some, oh goodness, what is it? Stardust stickles to in the center of all the snowflakes, and then I did snow on there. And then inside I just found two little hearts and a little writing of Merry Christmas. So it's just little tiny, I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know. Come on, camera, you can focus. There we go. And it's the two little hearts that say Merry Christmas. Very simple card. Just a bit of paper cutting and, of course, punching out. In each one of these red background foil things, I have two of these I popped out so that I can use them for another project. I don't like putting a big full sheet of foil in behind just for an 1/8 of an inch even. I don't know, it's just, yeah, but 1/8 of an inch, it seems like such a waste. So when I see you guys out there, you and card makers, putting a full sheet of foil or a full sheet of your beautiful paper out there, you need to follow, what's her name? Stewart. Oh, I can't remember her name. She does the, I can't remember what those are called either. Flashcards. Connie Stewart. You need to follow Connie Stewart's lead and punch out your stuff in the back there. Don't waste all this paper. Anyways, that's very pretty. Can you see the sparkle of the snow? I'll move it very slowly. I can't get close enough to see what you can see, but I hope you can see it. So there we go. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards from just the middle portion of the 12 by 12 scrapbooking piece of paper that was in my paper pad from Michael's. I got them, it was buy one get one free, so the pad cost me $6 for 48. I think that one had 48 sheets of Christmas paper. Shop wisely, ladies, and you can stretch your crafting budget. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed seeing these cards as much as I enjoyed making them. If you'd like to see more of our videos, please consider subscribing to our channel. Won't you give us a thumbs up? And ring the bell if you'd like our new posts to show up in your YouTube feed.